Hello everyone, my name is Man Patel and today I am going to solve LeetCode question number 2114, maximum number of words found in a sentences. Here we are given a question in which a sentence is a list of words that are separated by single spaces with no leading or trailing spaces. We are given an array of strings sentences where each sentences of I represents a single sentence. We have to return the maximum number of words that appear in a single sentence. This is a question. Let's understand this question in more detail by example. Here we are given in input sentences where in array format in string we are given three sentences. Alice and Bob love lead code. In these first sentences, in this first sentence, here we are have only five words in it. In second sentences total we have only four words, and in last sentences we have total six words. So we have to return the length of the largest. We have to return the length of the maximum words found in sentences. The same here example 2. Here we are given an array of string in first element is please wait, which has only 2. Second one continue to fight, which has 3, and third continue to win. In first indexes and second indexes both have 3 words, so we return 3 here. So this is the question. Here we are given some constraint also. First is the one sentences dot length should be 1 and between 1 and 100. Sentences of I dot length should be also 1 and 100. Sentences of 1 consist only of lowercase English letters and space only. Sentences of I does not have leading or trailing space. All the words in sentences of I are separated by single space. So we have to make sure to handle space also. So this is the question, and now I'm going to write this code in C++ language. So first of all I'm going to declare a variable max word, and with declaring it with zeros, which will store the maximum word found. So now I'm going to run a for loop int I equals to 0, I less than sentences dot length, not dot length dot size, and increment it by 1. And I'm going to declare another variable and starting value will be 1, so it starts with one word even if it has no space also. So I'm going to add another nested for loop. To this for loop will go to the all the sentences elements like this first index, this second, this third. Now we have to iterate it to specific indexes also. So I have to add another for loop here. Int j equals to 0, j less than sentences of I dot size I plus plus. So this loop through each characters of the sentences. Now I'm going to write here if condition if sentences of I and I and j equals to space, then we will simply increment the count. I have written this because if space found, it means there is a new word, so it will simply increment the count here. So every new word will be incremented by 1 here, and it will update it in the count. So after this for loop gets over, if count is greater than maximum word, the maximum word will be count or count. Simply we are updating maximum words if current sentence has more count here. So after this the maximum count will be stored in this max word, and after this if condition I will simply return max word. So this is the code. Now let's run this code here. As you can see, both the test cases that have been added successfully passed. So now let's run this code. Let's submit this code. As you can see, the code is successfully submitted and the runtime of this code is 4 ms, and I have solved this question successfully in O of n squared time complexity. Thank you everyone.